Email has evolved from a simple communications tool to a mission-critical business application. Without email access, productivity can decrease, critical data can be lost, and business can suffer. Microsoft Exchange Hosted Continuity, part of Exchange Hosted Services, is a business continuity solution that helps protect and provide access to email for an organization and its employees. Exchange Hosted Continuity works in conjunction with Exchange Hosted Filtering. When messages enter the Exchange Hosted Services data center network, they are filtered for spam, viruses, and policy rules. After the filtering process, Exchange Hosted Continuity stores a copy of each message in a security-enhanced 30-day message repository. Similarly, internal mail sent within the organization can be captured through the journaling feature of Microsoft Exchange Server 2007. The message repository is a convenient backup if your primary email system is unavailable. Users in your organization can access the password-protected off-site repository at any time to read, compose, and even reply to messages. You can access the Exchange Hosted Continuity tools and message repository from an SSL session in Microsoft Internet Explorer. The Exchange Hosted Continuity interface is easy to navigate and looks similar to Microsoft Outlook Web Access. In the My Messages drawer, you can view the messages sent and received by your email account in the past 30 days. You can also find tools for searching, reading, composing, replying to, and forwarding email. This backup email functionality delivers access to email for your entire organization, even when your primary email system is unavailable. Exchange Hosted Continuity also provides valuable tools to help prepare for and manage messaging disasters. With the call tree functionality, you can define and maintain an emergency information broadcasting plan to use when normal communication channels are disabled. First, contact information is stored for each of your team members. Then, you can build your call tree, assigning team members for each caller to contact. In the event of a disaster, the team can generate a call tree report that provides calling instructions. In addition, the readiness test enables you to view a list of users that have logged on to the system after an outage is declared. You can use this feature to run a drill to determine which users can successfully log on to the Exchange Hosted Continuity system. With the DR Passwords feature, you can set a secondary password for your users. This feature is particularly helpful in an emergency in which workers have forgotten their logon credentials for Exchange Hosted Continuity. You can set a universal password for the entire organization, or you can set the DR password to match a unique user value that is set on the user's personal information page. This value can be the user's start date, employee ID number, or another easily remembered piece of data. Another feature that is helpful in a disaster scenario is announcements. When updates are needed across your organization, you can post announcements in the Exchange Hosted Continuity interface. Announcements are displayed on the entry page after you log on to the system, and also on the first page of any drawer as you navigate through the user interface. Following a disaster, you can restore groups of messages to your primary email system by using the Mass Restore feature. You can select the date range, time, and type of message, such as internal, outbound external, or inbound external. You can restore messages to the original owners or to a designated mailbox. With Exchange-hosted continuity, you can have continuous email service to your organization and valuable tools for managing and preparing for a messaging disaster.